Man, when I look back at my YouTube, my old YouTube videos, and I just love the authenticity and the desire to just create. I didn't know about S-Log 3. I didn't know about ISO, white balance, color grading. I didn't think about how I can make things look cinematic, or I didn't really think much about quality. And I think you might be able to see that. When I was looking back at some of the conversations about faith that I had with my friends, just moments of me trying to encourage myself in the Lord and trying to encourage others, spoken word, vlogs. I just wanted to create, and I really wasn't so consumed by, things being so, so perfect. I guess my ultimate desire is to take my storytelling to the next level and to create with excellence, but also to not lose that authenticity, that pure desire to create, to document my natural hair and try and tell, a few people what I've learned about natural hair. Do you remember when natural hair was a real thing? Natural hair should always be something that's embraced and loved, not something to ever be ashamed of. Natural hair is beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and still going natural. It's just a reminder to myself to ultimately create from a place, not from a place of fear, not from a place of wanting things to be so perfect, but from a place of excellence and ultimately being led by the Holy Spirit. I really think storytelling and taking your storytelling to the next level, to take it to the next level, it's really about, one, the person who is telling the story. That's you, and thinking about why you're telling the story, and not storytelling and creating from a place of fear and anxiety, or just creating content because you need to create content, to keep engagement. And of course, consistency is a beautiful thing. However, I feel like sometimes we can get so lost in, I just need to create content, I just need to do things, I just need to make things to prove myself. But when you are creating from a place of purity, authenticity, a place of excitement and enjoyment, I promise you, your storytelling will go from here to here. It really will. And one thing is, you're always going to be learning, and it's always going to be learning more and more and more. And there will be a point where you really are getting to the top of your craft, and that's my aim, to be at the top of my craft. But I think it's just about enjoying the process. I know it's cliche, I know, but it really is about enjoying the making of the story, enjoying the gift, the God-given gift. And so, yeah, I think these videos are always a note to self. They're always a note to self, but I just hope that encourages somebody, to create, to keep creating. It's encouraging me to keep creating, so